Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
The Stevie Nicks Tour. This rock legend continues weaving her magic, packing arenas on her current solo tour, and photojournalist Steve Jennings checks in with the audio crew. The Anaheim Expo is back to its January schedule, and we pick some of the coolest new products and technologies debuting at the show. Don't miss it. Celebrating the best in the event production industry, the 22nd annual Parnellis presented a memorable evening of surprises, emotions, and winners. Catch all the action here. In our installation spotlight, we visit some recent church installs, large and small, with an eye towards improving musicality and vocal intelligibility, where the word is all important. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on drum microphone bundles. We examine some one-stop shop solutions offering matched microphone bundles in any budget for capturing percussion sounds. In 1963, music store owner Jack Long and his then repair tech Pete Trainer began a manufacturing venture. Thus, Yorkville Sound and Trainer amplifiers were born, and history was made, with success continuing to this day more than 60 years later. We also check out Lawton Audio's snare mic, with Steve Savanu putting this new transducer through its paces. Check it out. In Sound Sanctuary, our man in the pews, John McJunkin, offers insider techniques for the not-so-simple task of getting a great live piano sound.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.